Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav and I welcome you all to my channel, The Caffeinated Programmer. In this video series, we'll be talking about Java programming language. So before we move on, please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out any notifications on my channel. So let's get started. The agenda for today's video is we'll look at the history of Java, what is an algorithm and what is a program. Further, we'll look at the difference between an algorithm and a program. Now, let us look at the history of Java. Java was developed at the Sun Microsystems by a team of engineers led by James Gostling. Initially, the team was called as the Green Team and the project was called as Green Talk. The project had a file extension of .gt. After that, it was chosen as Oak, but again, due to some copyright issues, it was renamed to Java. Now, let us understand what is a program. So here we have a world where we have a robot at 00, a garbage bin at 10. And this robot can travel in all the directions. Also, it can face all the directions like east, west, north, south. So using this robot, we wanted to do something useful in this world, like pick up the garbage at 10 and place it at 32, and we want a robot to end up at 42 facing east. So our final configuration should be something like this. Our garbage bin at 32 and our robot at 42 facing east. Our robot can understand four commands: move, turn left, pick garbage, and put garbage. Using move command, it will move forward. Using turn left command, it will turn left by 90 degrees. Using pick garbage command, it will pick up the garbage bin, and using put garbage command, it will put down the garbage bin. So using these four commands, we need to move our robot and do our things, right? So if we want to move our robot from 00 to 10, we can use move command. So using move command, our robot will end up at 10, and but it will not pick up the garbage bin. Now we need to call the pick garbage command. So using pick garbage command, we will pick up the garbage bin, right? And again, either you can move forward or you can turn left. There are many ways to solve a problem. So I'll choose to turn left. So we can call the turn left command, and now it is facing to north, right? And now we can call the move command again. So using move command, we have moved a step forward. We'll call the move again, and then we have reached at the point 1 2. But here we have a problem, yes, because now we are facing north, and we want to turn right. So there is no turn right command. So what we can do is call turn left three times. So if we call turn left, it will turn to west, and again if we call turn left, now it will turn to south, and again if we call turn left, and it will face towards the east, right? And so we have called turn left three times, so which is equivalent to turn right. So calling turn left three times is equivalent to turning right. And now we move our robot to point 2 using move command. Again we call the move command, and we have reached our point 32. Here call the put garbage command. So using put garbage command, we will put the garbage bin at 32. And last we will call the move command. So using move command, our robot will end up at 42 facing east. Okay. Before we move on to understand what is a program, let us understand what is an algorithm. As you can see on the screen, I have written the sequence of steps which we followed to move our robot from 00 to 4, 2. Right? So what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a sequence of steps to be followed to solve a particular problem. In that case, we wanted to move our robot from 00 to 4, 2, and that too facing east. And in between, we picked our garbage bin at 10 and placed it at 3, 2. So in short, we can say an algorithm is a sequence of steps to be followed to solve a particular task. Okay. Now that you have understood what an algorithm is, let us understand what is a program. So a program is something which has a valid syntax according to the rules of a language. Okay, so what do you mean by that? Right? So in Java, if we want to call those commands, we use it like, in a way that it has a round brackets followed by a semicolon. So basically these commands are called as methods in Java, right? So what do you mean by a program? A program is something which has a valid syntax according to the rules of a language. Maybe different languages have different way to write a method or command. Finally, let's look at the difference between an algorithm and a program. An algorithm is a sequence of steps or the recipe to do something, while a program is something which has a valid syntax according to the rules of the language. Okay, so this is the basic difference between an algorithm and a program. So that's all, folks, and thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you until next time.